In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in an MP3 file to Canvas. In order to do this, it is very important for you to have named all of your MP3 files and your Audacity files correctly so you know which one to turn in. So I'm going to go down to an Audacity file that I have opened. You can see here I have my original track, and then I have my audio and my second track. You can see my audio goes all the way to the end of my music, to my first audio. You can also see that right here it fades out. You can see how it gets smaller, and so this audio fades out. So I've edited this audio, I've added music at the beginning, all through it, and I'm done with this audio, so I'm ready to now make this an MP3. You can see at the top that my Audacity file is called Raw Citizenship Audio Edit because this is the edit. This is something that I'm changing. So when I'm ready to convert this to an MP3, I will go File, and I'll find the option that says Export Audio ... Now, it will default to the last folder that I was in. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to my H drive, and so I'm going to go into my H drive, and I'm going to find my Multimedia Tech folder. I'm just going to put this in my Multimedia Tech folder, and then I happen to have a podcasting folder. And so this is no longer the raw audio, so I'm going to take off the word raw, and this is my citizenship edit, but I should also put my name on it. So I'm going to put Hill, and that signifies that I have completed this. So this is my citizenship edit, and you need to make sure that the file type says MP3. A lot of times it's going to say WAV first if this is the very first time that you've been saving it. This makes a very large file, and it makes it hard for us to listen to it because it's just so big. So we need to make it an MP3, which will condense it into a smaller file. And then you will need to click Save. And so you'll have a warning that says that your tracks will be mixed down into one track, and that's exactly what I want it to do. And so I'm going to click OK, and then right now it's going to be exporting my edit. And so when that is done, I can now go to my H drive, and I need to take this file and I need to put it in my Google Drive in order to turn this assignment in. So I'm going to go to the folder where I saved it, and I'm going to look for the podcast that says exactly what I just named it, which was Citizenship Edit Hill. And so you can see right here that this is the music note, and so that music note shows me that it's an MP3. It also says MP3 right here. So I'm going to take this file and I'm going to put it in my Google Drive. So I'm going to drag it over to my Google Drive and upload it. When it's done, it's now ready to be turned into Canvas. So I make sure that I look for it. There it is right there. You can see it's got the little sound bubble so that I can listen to it. And I need to get the shareable link to turn it into Canvas. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to get the shareable link, or you can click share ... You need to make sure it says anyone with the link can view it. You can copy the link, click done. Go to Canvas, so here I'm already signed in, and then I'm going to find that assignment. So this is my podcast number 2. So I'm going to click on podcast number 2, and I'm going to click submit assignment. Maybe I have needed to resubmit this because I didn't submit it correctly before, and I'm just going to paste that URL. So now I'm submitting my assignment, and I'm done. If I want to check how I've submitted it, I can look at my submission details. And so looking at my submission details, I can see the link. If I click on this link to view it in another tab, it's going to play that audio that I just turned in. So that's how you turn in your MP3. And that's the same way that you'll need to turn in any MP3 for this class.